Yeah.
I'm blowing kush in my Chevy. I got all flavors. My driveway look like a pack of annihilators.
It's your boy Shotgun Shug, man.
Check my whip game, baby. You know what's funny on my mind?
Yeah.
Throw it on the stove, let it bubble up, then get that dough. Check my whip game, baby. Check my whip game, baby.
I'm getting money in my city all day. I run the streets, they think I'm Akbar Bray. I run a smooth operation, need a membership. You get a 5-hour gig that come with benefits. Just holler with accepting application. You gotta be built for this line of occupation. All my members bout it, we don't need no niggas faking. I can tell if you gangsta nigga by your conversation. I'm a rider, my whip game proper. I prescribe the meds and sign them slips just like a doctor. Money, money, money on the set, I got a lot of. I do 20 in a day, I put that on my mama.
I got all flavors. My driveway look like a pack of annihilators. Check my whip game, baby. Yeah. Check my whip game, baby. Yeah.
Check my whip game, man.
You know what's funny on my mind? Throw it on the stove, let it bubble up, then get that dough.
I said it's 36 O's and a kilo. My operation got me looking like Nino. I get your fingers cut for 1,000 C-no. My corporation launder money like casino. I got a tire shop that the feds watch. What they watching, I keep my product at another spot. They think I'm Tupac, my flag tie, black power, 50s are sour. I got a chicken coop that I be moving birds out. Shout out to Big Bro, he front me and let me work out. I'm Big Bro now, I roll and send a word out. You think you ready, man? I'll show you with that curve out.
In my Chevy.